What I have here is a very nice Apple IIe machine, standard 64K. It's got extra boards on. We've got well, it's a standard 1982 main board. Just have a quick look at that. We've got installed disk controller board, 80 column card, serial card, and also got a printer card installed there as well. So it's quite a nice little setup there. Perfect for vintage computer collector. Nice disk 2 drive there. So I'll just boot that for you so you can see it working. And that'll be up for sale on eBay very shortly.